closer.
Yeah, it's definitely bigger than it was.
Now they're just having weather storm alerts on the bottom of the screen. Talk about the DNC.
Oh, yeah. It starts tomorrow, doesn't it?
Well, I just called work and all I said was, "Are you guys okay?" Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
And she said, "Yeah, they announced it. People are standing out looking out the window and they can see it, but wow."
It's starting to move to the right now a little bit. It's been pretty much stationary until just now.
Come over here, honey.
It's just getting bigger and bigger.
That looks like it's breaking up at the top.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Look at there, it's just falling apart.
Mm-hmm. It did. Didn't know they did it that way. I thought it was more like going to be like they all did it like the first one did, just kind of slowly draw up, dissipate.
Well, it may not be done yet.